All right, Austin here. Welcome back to the channel. There's actually a little trivia question. Who said in a movie, it was his first line of a movie, well, all right, all right, all right. So there you go. Some of you are going to get it. It's pretty obvious. Some of you are like, I have no idea what you're talking about. There you go. It's one of those little random trivia things you get with watching content on my channel. We're going to talk about what's going on with crypto, breaking crypto news. Got about 4 or 5 things need to keep you updated on. Here we go. It's going to be a lot to cover. Right now, crypto's up 2.6%. Nice little bounce back. Don't be fooled, though. It could be a little bit of a fake out. We still got big events out there. We've still got Friday, we're getting the PCE inflation report. This is one of the key reports that the Federal Reserve looks at. And then remember, next week on the 31st, we got the Federal Reserve FOMC meeting. What are they going to do or not going to do? Are they going to raise that interest rate? The expectations are going to leave it alone. If they leave it alone, then we should see crypto start to run. Okay. So, although we're up today, which is nice, here's some key things you need to be aware of. So they leading into Friday, in addition to that PCE report, we have $4.5 billion worth of Bitcoin options to expire. Okay. So we need to kind of see and keep an eye on that. Hopefully that doesn't have an impact, but that's something I wanted you to be aware of. Okay. Also, Bitcoin price risks 30,000 over supercharged inflation. This goes back to what I said to you at the top of the video related to that inflation report, things of that nature. I have said in previous videos that we could see Bitcoin and all of crypto, the major, blue chip blue chip cryptos, all that kind of pullback respectively, about a 10 to 15% move back. So we could see Bitcoin go from 40,000 to 30,000. If that happens, we're going to see Ethereum drop below 2,000. We're going to see everything go down a fairly high amount. Okay. Again, just be aware. This is all kind of part of the process. By the way, all of this syncs up with the Bitcoin halving event. We always get a dip before we get a little bit of a run up leading into leading up to the Bitcoin halving. Just FYI. So everything that's kind of happening is really kind of normal, if you will. Okay. Also, there is continued to be rumor and speculation about an Ethereum ETF coming sooner than you expect. We're getting maybe a little bit of positive synergy here, from the standpoint it could be happening a little bit sooner. I can guarantee you this. I can guarantee you that the spot Bitcoin ETFs are eyeing it. Why? It's another crypto asset product that they can go and sell to their to their investors, right? The BlackRocks, the Fidelities, the ARKs, all those guys. Okay. So, and this is another thing, 9-spot Bitcoin ETFs buy 100,000 Bitcoin in 7 days after launch. To give you some perspective, that is what it took 300 days from MicroStrategy, Michael Saylor. Now, we all know he is a huge Bitcoin advocate, but that shows you how fast that these spot Bitcoin ETFs stacked 100,000 Bitcoin, billions and billions and billions of dollars worth. This is a good thing. We can continue to see this play out. Now, we also still have that risk scenario playing out there where we've got Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, GBTC, continuing to offload some of their Bitcoin in fairly large chunks. We'll see if that does continue the next day or so, because remember, everybody's leaving the GBTC because it's a higher fee structure, and they're moving out of GBTC into the other lower fee structure spot Bitcoin ETFs like BlackRocks, things of that nature. Okay, so that's a real quick rundown of what's going on there. So this is what's happening in the crypto market right now. It's up a little bit. You're seeing Bitcoin up, Solana up nice, 7+%, Cardano up 3, Avalanche up 11. Doge almost 3, and then there's some other ones that are flying. ICP is flying really, really nicely. So so there you go. So links in the description below if you want to check out my trading software. Helps you know when to buy, when to sell, all this kind of stuff. Really good stuff to help you there. There's also a link down there to Margex. Check them out. They're a great trading platform that you can check out. They have leverage, everything you need. This is where I've moved all my trading to as well. All right. So I will see you. Have a good one. Go make some money.